Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we draw the cutting part. Next we draw a big curved line like this from the first cutting. Next we draw another curved line like that. We draw a line in the middle of the banana. Bananas are a popular fruit known for their sweet taste and ease of consumption. They grow in clusters on a plant that resembles a tree, but is technically a giant herb. It's time to coloring. We color it with yellow color. The banana fruit is botanically classified as a berry. Most bananas are yellow when ripe, but some varieties can be red, green, or even purple. Bananas are a good source of potassium, an essential mineral for heart health and nerve function. They also contain vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant and supports the immune system. Bananas are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. The fruit is naturally fat-free and cholesterol-free, making it a healthy snack choice. Bananas are easily digestible and can be a good source of quick energy. They are a common ingredient in various desserts, including cakes, smoothies, and ice cream. Raw bananas can also be used in savory dishes, like curries and pickles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.